sanitize, sanitize, sanitize. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How To. Today we'll be dedicating this episode to the COVID-19 situation where we'll be sharing with you protection to use when heading out. So the most important protection that you need is this. Wrong pocket. What you need is this. Okay, you need a face mask. And if you don't already know how you wear a face mask, is this. The darker shade side is supposed to be outwards and the lighter shade side is supposed to be inwards. And once you put it on, alright, clip it at your nose, tight, and pull down below so it covers your whole nose and mouth area. And now that we got our mask on, it's time to head out. Let's go! Now that we're out, we will need some cash, right? So before we head to the ATM machine, what we need to do is we need to first sanitize our hand. So once we're done sanitizing, let's go to the ATM machine and get some cash. Now that we're done cashing out, again, sanitize. Few drops, protect it. Let's go. Alright, now we're about to have lunch, and before we have lunch, we of course need to register ourselves. So, let's go. It's an important step. First, you need to wipe down the pen. Okay, and let's write our name and check ourselves in. Now let's get our temperature checked. And lunchtime, let's go. Alright, so we're done with eating, and before we do anything, sanitize. Few drops. Clean. Let's go. We're gonna do some grocery shopping now, and before you touch any object, it's very important that you put on your gloves. Now that you have your gloves on, happy shopping. Ooh, I need this. We're back, and most importantly, we are safe because we used protection. Okay, time to remove everything right now. So to remove the gloves, first pinch all the fingers of the glove out. Once it's all out, pull everything out and hold on to it with your other hand. And with the free hand, you're gonna slide it inside the glove and pull it out. Okay? Once it's out, discard it to the bin. And now time to remove the mask. Make sure you don't touch the outer part and discard. Most importantly, after everything, sanitize. You can never sanitize enough. Alright, once you're sanitized, you are 99.9% germ-free. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoy yourself. Please subscribe to all of our social medias. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.